Muthenya wa umuthi ruhonge rwa DCI nirwarikia gukora rukihithuria who is involved in the mysterious death of Charles Ong'ondo Were, the MP of Kasipul constituency. Na kuria nende cio cia kinyaniria cia X niguo mathire na mbere na gukora makiandika wanted for murder. The Directorate of Criminal Investigation requests Philip Nahashon Aroko to surrender immediately to the nearest police station. He is a person of interest in the ongoing investigation into the brutal murder of Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were. Compliance with this request is mandatory. We also appeal to anyone with information regarding his whereabouts to contact the nearest police station or use our toll-free numbers. Makoro magikira namba issue hau na bisha ya Philip Nahashon Aroko. General Philip Nahashon Aroko, no. This is like a new name being introduced right now. Drakorani, one of the people who was the opponents of Sir Charles Ong'ondo Were in the MP contestants of Kasipul constituency. Yani nie dagagete kiukia mubunge wa Kasipul.
My name is Philip Aroko. I'm an aspirant.
Yes.
Kasipul constituency.
Yes.
I'm calling upon everyone.
Yeah.
Let's join hands and fix this constituency. This constituency is in the hands of those who don't understand anything. You get what I'm saying? These people, they don't understand anything. They cannot even lobby for investments to come to this constituency. These are people who can say nothing in parliament. In fact, their button for response is still fresh, it's still new. You get what I'm saying? So we've got to fix this thing.
So what are your priorities?
Priorities.
Man,
the priorities are a lot, man.
Education.
Education is a priority.
Okay.
We have to unite our people. We must unite our people. That's number one. That people must come together, that they can chart a way forward for the constituency.
True.
So 2027 is not going to be a normal race. It is going to be something serious. Yeah. So welcome to my place.
Yes. Well, let's show them.
Welcome to my place. We are working hard to make things right. Headquarters. Okay, we will teach people farming.
Yeah.
And anything that pertains their development. Yeah, stay tuned here. For those who think that they are living with one vote, I'm sorry guys, you're lost. Yeah, stay tuned.
Kabisa.
After some few hours tuona Philip Nahashon Aroko yumireti haria na wakili wake Danstan Omari na akoro akihithuria ati he is not fearing anything because nioi uma wohoro ati he is not involved in anything like that.
My name is Philip Aroko. I saw something on Twitter for the DCI that I'm a person of interest in the matter of the late Mr. Charles, the MP for Kasipul. I've been around, my phone has been on, I'm ready for anything. I don't fear being someone with the DCI. It's normal. I want to hear what they have against me. I will also respond to anything that is relevant. Okay? So anytime, any day, I'm here. I'm ready to explain myself. Yes.
My client Philip, his phone has been on. He has been doing his business. My client has nothing to hide. If there is no way the DCI can say, but they are looking for Philip. He's available. I'm with him. In less than 20 minutes, I shall be taking him to the DCI Gigiri office for him to report. This is a law-abiding citizen. And as you can mark it, this is a diversionary issue. So that the death of the Member of Parliament is taken to Kasipul Kabondo, not in Nairobi. We will be ready. My client is available. I will be with him at Gigiri police station shortly.
Thank you.
Muthenya wa umuthi bado nituonire gugikorwo gukihithurio investigation imwe nene muno iria ikiretwo igikwo igie uhoro uyu na tokorwo tukiona haria gukihithurio nyumba imwe ina mishinga ikiwa na magans pale hivyo, na kunasemekana one of those guns ni icio cirahuthikire gukorwo cigishoot Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were. This investigation imekuwa na a lot of difficulties tondu CCTV iria ciekiretwo town citiraruta wira, and because of that muthenya wa umuthi nituona ni kuma na requiem mass ya the late Sir Charles guku Nairobi na ntuona andũ aingĩ in the political scene nĩ makorwo makĩarĩrĩria ũhoro ũcio na makiuga atĩ the county governor should make sure that CCTV icio ciothe nĩ ciraruta wĩra because ĩkorwo nĩ ciraruta wĩra then this investigation will have been very easy, very easy but yakorwo nditũ tondũ CCTV icio citiraruta wĩra something area ĩkorirwo ĩkĩdominate requiem mass ĩyo ya Sir Charles but the truth of the story is that right now the prime suspect of that story according to the DCI Kenya ni Philip Nahashon Aroko. Ndio maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story. Ni ũhoro ũkoretwo nĩ gĩkuũ kĩna kĩriga na njĩra ĩmwe nene mũno because mũmbunge ũcio akorirwo akĩrathwo ngari-inĩ. Also pia nĩtuona ndereba wake na security wake arĩa arĩ nao ngari-inĩ thaa icio onao nĩ makorirwo makĩnyitwo because I was hearing a certain argument. Mũndũ akĩũria, how would a member of parliament be shot 5 times yet his security is there and doesn't fire even a single shot?
Hiki ni kifo cha pili ambapo tunaona kwamba mbunge anauawa ndani ya gari na walinzi wake wakiwa, na wengine waliuawa pamoja na walinzi wake. Tunataka tuuliza, tafadhali wale wachasusi, kwa sababu mtu ambaye angepiga risasi 5 kwa mpigo na askari aliye ndani ya gari asirudisha hata moja, lazima tujiulize nini. Kulikuwa na propaganda ilikuwa imeanza mapema. Lazima tuambiwe, ndugu zangu. Mheshimiwa Wanga, niliona ukiongea vizuri. Lazima tuambiwe ni nani, sababu gani. Father, lazima tukemee hiki kitendo kivyovyote vile. Hata kama mmekosana na mtu kivipi, tafadhali wacha kuua yeye. Huyu askari, na nataka naambiwa kwamba hajahusika kwa mauaji haya peke yake. Amehusika kwa mauaji yale mengine. Nataka niulize serikali, kando na kivyovyote vile, tafadhali watu wawajibike.
Nĩ ciũria iria cithiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo cikĩũrio around the mysterious death of Sir Charles Ong'ondo Were. What is your take on that? No comment here, ũtwĩre maoni maku.